you open it. So you open it. So you open, wait, what? Hi guys, Rhazel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a haul, guys. Day off ko today. I went shopping. I was alone, so I went a little crazy and I wasn't expecting na I would go home with all the stuff that I got now. So, pagdating ko ng bahay, sabi ko mag-haul ako, besh, kasi madami-dami siya. So, I got these two massive bags in here. I got stuff from more than 2 shops. I will show you guys. I just put it in the bigger bag for me to have just 2 bags to carry around. So, first, I have this bag from Tem. I will first show you the one that I got from Tarjay. It's just a black jumper to put underneath my baggy jumpers, just to basically layer clothes because it's really cold. This one is very basic and it was, I think, like $4 only. This is from the kids section, size 10 siya. And then you guys, I went to Colette and I finally found someone. I found it! Hindi siya yung perfect wallet na I was looking for, but it's good enough because Dan keeps telling me you can never find the perfect wallet. Like this one, the storage is perfect, but the color, it's not my favorite, but whatever, I was there and I was like, I need wallet. I've been looking for so long and hanggang ngayon hindi pa ako nakakabili. So sabi ko, bibilhin ko na siya agad-agad. So they have this in white, in black, no, not black, red and blue-green. So hindi ko nagustuhan yung red because it's very bright, and the blue-green is a bright blue-green as well. If it was like mint, pipiliin ko siya, but no. So I chose this color here. It's just white and the inside is perfect. So I have that for my change. And then, this is the best part, guys. Kasi this is what I have been looking for a wallet. Maraming lalagyan ng cards. So, heaps of storage for my cards there. And then, that for my notes. And yeah, for me, it's not like perfect, but it's 95% there. So, and then I went to Supre. And this is not what I got from Supre. This is what I got from KMART. The Supre stuff I put in a different bag. But this I got from KMART. I didn't buy a bag there, so nilagay ko siya sa Supre bag. But I have been wanting this, guys, for so long, like so long. I don't know why I didn't buy it before, but I have been wanting this for so long. It's basically a fur rug. Yes. So yeah, it's so cute. Like I can use this to take pictures. This one is $19. It wasn't on sale, but that's alright. I've been wanting it for a while, so finally. And then the stuff that I got from Supre is this scarf right here. This scarf is only $2. It's a knit scarf. So it was originally $10. Originally 10. I got it for 2. It's just a black knit scarf that you can wear like that. Hello. Yes. And then another one from Supre. This looks like, I don't even know. Diba yung rug, nilagay ko sa Supre na bag. Now look at what happened sa jeans. Nakakaloka. I can use lint roller and just... This is very high-waisted, you guys. I'm not gonna try it on because I will be featuring it in my upcoming outfits of the week video, maybe. For sure, because I will be wearing it for sure. This is size 6, skinny, and it fits me perfectly. It makes my bum looks good. It's stretchy as well. I like it. It goes really nice with kahit na anong top because it's black, obviously. And then last thing from Supre is the Supre mints. So the proceeds will go sa Supre foundation. So I just got the mints there, and that's it from Supre. I also went to Tem and I got 2 things from there. Meron pa mga laman dito. Ito yung regalo kay Dan. There. Nakikita nyo yan sa future vlog. But sa temp, ito yung nabili ko. So, this is, hindi siya naka-sale, but I really like it. So, I got it. It's an off-shoulder top. Gusto ko yung kulay niya, sobra. And this one, I'm planning to wear with the black jeans. Itatuck in ko siya. And it looks really nice. I love it. This is $24.95. Hindi siya naka-sale, but then again, gustong-gusto ko siya, so I decided to get it. And then, this one I got from Temp as well. This was on sale. Only $4.95, I believe. Yes, from 10 or from $9.95 to $4.95 na lang. And I like this color as well. And this one is very stretchy and very fitted niya sa akin. Ganda ng material nito, guys, as in sobra. And it really hugs your body, so I really like it. Okay, now onto the stuff that I got from Daiso. Meron itong story, guys, itong bag na to, nakakaloka. Before the Daiso stuff, I got this from Chemist Warehouse. So if you guys have been watching my vlogs, you know na I use the hydrogen peroxide disinfecting system. Yes, system for my contact lenses. So they have a container that looks like that, and you put your contacts in there, and then lalagyan mo siya ng solution. This one is a different brand. I used to use the AO-Sept one, and then I found this, and this is actually cheaper, and you get more. No, this is more expensive than the AO-Sept, but you get more. So you get 3 240 ml bottle, and oh, that's so cute. That's cute. It's blue. The one from AO-Sept, they give you like 2 of these as well. Okay, so this is where you put your contact. So it has letter R for the right contact, and then letter L for the left, obviously. So you open it like so. Put the contacts in there. And then you put the solution up to the line here. There. And then, i-dip mo siya. And then, you will need to let it sit there for, I think, at least 7 hours. So, I just do that to my contacts every night. And then, the next day, I can use it na. 3 of the 240 ml one. This is $28.50, I think. Or $28.95, something like that. $29 for 3. The AO-Sept one, they have one 340 ml and then 190 ml for traveling. So 340 plus 90. So that's 400 something. And then they have this. I do not know what these are. What the heck? This is interesting. Merong dalawang ganito na I haven't seen before. I do not know what these are. Oh. They're pills. Like that. But what are you though? Oh! Hydrogen peroxide neutralizing tablets. Wait, what? I have to put the tablet in? Ano ba to? Okay, fill the lens case to the fill line with Oxy-Sept hydrogen peroxide disinfecting solution. Place 1 hydrogen peroxide neutralizing tablet into the lens case. Okay. Gently turn the lens upside down, then upright position 3 consecutive times to wet the upper surfaces of the lens case and the inside of the lens case. Wow! Now, this is different, guys. It's different than the other one that I use. Okay, mas complicated siya. Meron siyang mga pa-tablet-tablet na ganap. Okay, sa huli na ang pagsisisi. Anyway, that's the only thing that I got from Chemist Warehouse. Like, I went in there, I didn't look at anything else. I went straight to the, to where this one was. And I was like, yeah, that's it. And then I went home. Okay, so I went to Daiso. You guys, this bag right here is $2.80. Ang mahal, nakakaloka. Wala silang free na plastic bags. Like, yung iba, wala silang free na plastic bag, but it's like 5 cents if you buy one. This is $2.80. And if bumili ka ng... So, if you get like stuff like what I got, you really need a bag. Makakabili ka talaga. Anyway, what I got from Daiso is my favorite cotton puffs from Daiso. So it has 180 pieces of cotton puffs, and this is my favorite one. So I think I'm down to 1 box only. So I got those para meron akong extra. And then I got, oh my gosh. And then I got got these as well. So, I want to put my brushes in there or like kahit na ano gusto kong ilagay dito. So, yeah. Right now, I'm using the acrylic container for my brushes. And I don't mind the acrylic. It actually looks fine. But I feel like the white one will look great as well. See? I like it. This is $2.80. So, dito sa Australia, $2.80 yung Daiso. Diba sa atin, 88, 89? May nalaglag na brush. Where are you? I lost it. Oh, there you go. So, yeah. $2.80 siya. Wait, what? No. $3.80. Hindi ko naman chinek yung price. $3.80. Oh well, okay lang yan. But they look like this. It's metal, guys. Nagsa-start na ako mag-collect ng kung anik-anik para sa dito, sa kwarto ko. I was gonna get like, you know, 2 round ones or just like 2 square ones. But ito na lang dalawa na tira. Isang square, isang round. So I just got both. Okay, last one is the... What is this? Green tea cookies. Looks like that. I'm excited to try it. You know what? I'm gonna try one right now. I usually don't buy food from Daiso. Pero nakapila na ako dun. Papunta sa counter. Nakita ko siya sa gilid. So sabi ko, it's calling my name. So let's try it. And it's been a while since I tried the green tea churba. Kasi yung na-try ko lang naman is yung green tea Kit Kat. So this one was it. Ooh, that smells good. Green tea smells really good. I just can't get myself into drinking like green tea talaga. Hindi nga ako makainom ng hot tea. Hindi. Cold tea lang. Oh, this looks good. Ganyan siya. Tikman natin. Oh guys, ang sarap. Sana lang mas makapal yung filling. Kasi sobrang konti lang ng filling. Ang kapal ng cookie. Kasi wala ka makikita. Sobrang nasa gitna lang talaga siya. Pero masarap, in fairness. This one is $2 only. Okay, next one. Ito, na-receive ko siya ngayon lang talaga. I got this from eBay. And ngayon lang siya dumating. Pagdating namin sa bahay, chinek namin yung mail. And I got this. I'm pretty sure this is yung ring para sa phone. So right now, I'm using gold ring na nakuha na dyan sa Money Chain Foreign Exchange. Parang free siya nung nagpa-exchange lang ng pera when we went overseas. So, yan yung gamit ko ngayon. I ordered one from eBay. Rose gold yung in-order ko para mag-match sa phone. And why are you so hard to open? Teardrop siya, guys. I'm excited. Okay, that's so cute. Sana mag-match talaga siya. Ay, hindi. So, that's the rose gold, right? And siya para siyang orangey. Hindi siya rose gold. Pero mas okay na kaysa dito. Kasi ito meron pa mga sulat-sulat. Tatanggalin ko yan, papalitan ko siya nito. Kasi iba talaga kapag walang ring. Nahihirapan ako, laki. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like this video if you like hauls, like me. Meron talaga mga balahibo-balahibo na lumilipad dahil dun sa rag na yun. Anyway, please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to goodbye.